Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be discussing concealer and how not to have it looking very cakey around the eye area. I find that as you get older, if you've got fine lines under your eyes, if you put on your concealer in the conventional manner, then you're going to find that during the day that concealer is going to sit in the cracks and you're going to look really old and not very nice. Okay, so this is my number one tip. Okay, once you've put your foundation on and you've put your concealer around the eye area, you dab it in with your beauty blender. Now the trick is to use a setting spray before you put on any translucent powder on the top or before you put your makeup on. When you do this, it makes a nice film around your eyes. It sets the concealer so you've got a lovely smooth base. Okay, so what I would do, I wouldn't spray it around my eyes because it's just too much and it would take ages to dry. I would spray it on the back of my hand like that, and then just dip my fingers in the setting spray and put it around the eye area, just where you don't want the lines to show. There, okay? And once you've done that, you can fan it. I'm going to use my passport, it matches my top. You can fan it like that until it dries. And when it's lovely and dry, it will feel very smooth. You then finish by putting a translucent powder on the top. And this will last all day. You won't see cracks appearing around the eyes. It's lovely and smooth. Okay, so that's my number one concealer tip. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.